Today guys, meron tayo i-unbox na isang very basic na smartwatch and ang name niya is Aeac na 205 na smartwatch and it's very simple, very basic and it looks elegant. Tara, buksan natin. So hi guys, it's me Richmond of Gadget Sidekick and welcome back to my channel. So this is the Aeac Smartwatch 205 and I have here is the gray color and you can download the app na Very Fit Pro which is working perfectly together with this smartwatch. And this smartwatch is priced at less than 2,000 pesos and I'll be posting the link on the description below. So very simple lang kanyang smartwatch. Pulling it out, I have the gray color here and this is the watch itself and it looks premium. Halos kamukha niya ang iWatch if you know how it looks like. And the side looks very simple. Grabe, no? Halos kopyang-kopya na nila ang mga iWatch eh. Except siguro yung strap is of its own. Sa likod niya is mga sensors niya together with kanyang charging port. And pulling the tab, this is the sticker niya. So we have yung kanyang button dito together with the strap. The strap feels good Hindi siya yung any na cheap na strap. And you can also replace it. Just pull down this one in spring and nakatanggal na siya. So you can always buy any strap na 21mm. To put it back, it's also very simple. Ihila mo lang pababa ang ganun spring and snap it back. Ganun lang. Tapos na. Booting up, what I like about this one is hindi man muna siya kailangan i-pair sa smartphone. Out of the box pa naman siya gamitin. But of course, need mo siya i-pair para tama ang iyong oras. Now, swiping down, you have yung notification mo. Then, this is your watch face, the default. And long press, you can choose whatever watch face you want. And ang kanyang default is probably the best looking one. Swiping up, you have your step counters. You have your how many kilometers run. You have your calories burned. This is your total for the week, but probably for the day. Pressing this button sends you back to the home screen, and pressing the button again is yung kanyang screen off. Now, pag pindot mo, mag-on siya. So, swiping over to the left, you have all of this menu over here. Sports mode, heart rate, relax mode, alarm, and of course, you can control your music sa phone ninyo, timer, setting, and sports record. Now, we'll go through it a little bit more. So, pasok tayo sa sports mode. It has running, walking, biking, hiking, climbing, treadmill, and spinning. This is more of yung stationary na bike, no? Then yoga. To exit, just simply press the home button. So this is the heart rate monitoring. So accurate naman siya. Kinompare ko naman siya sa ibang smartwatches with the same function and it's almost getting the same heart rate dito sa watch na ito. It's almost good as accurate. Na itong relax mode na ito, it's more of letting you calm down. Breathing pattern. Tutuloy lang sa'yo kung inhale. Ang tagal naman. Exhale. Ayun. Medyo, ako nabulagta ako nun. So, okay. Anyway, so you can also set your alarm in the morning. Then, you can control your music freely dito sa app na ito. And you can also use your timer, stopwatch. This is the setting. So, you can change your watch face. You can change yung dimming ng iyong watch, yung brightness niya, no? And here is yung kanyang MAC address. And you can also shut it down over here. And all of your sports record is recorded here sa sports record. So swiping to the other side, you can see na ang kanyang automatic heart rate monitoring. Pwede mo turn on, turn off. This one is lift your wrist to turn on the watch. Then you also have your night mode. And this is your find your lost cell phone. Okay? So, very basic ang kanyang function. And let's just go through quickly sa kanyang Very Fit Pro So let's just go through quickly dito sa kind of Very Fit Pro na app. So you can check all of your activities here, your sleeping, your heart rate, everything is here. And lahat yan, mamamonitor mo dito sa app na ito, which is definitely nice. Of course, you can also check other things like your details and your activities, steps mo, weekly calories burn, average calories burn, lahat makikita mo. And of course, everything you can set dito sa mga notifications sa inyong smartwatch. Siyempre, ayaw mo naman i-turn on lahat kasi sobrang ingay naman, no? For every message tutunog or yung mga not important, you can simply turn it off. So, dito naman, you can log in or register and set your target and your rankings, everything, personal info. You can set it here. Other things inside the box, you have your charger, which is, of course, you need to supply your own USB charging brick. And of course, your user manual. So guys, if you want to know where you can buy this one, I'll be popping everything on the description box below. And if you like this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and of course, click that bell icon para di nyo ma-miss mga future uploads dito like this on my channel. And so, ako nga pala si Richmond and you're watching Gadget Sidekick. What's up?